Why do you think the Southeastern youths are so reluctant on joining the army?
The reasons are very obvious.
Which are?
You call them IPOB and terrorist organization, and you have killed them in numbers.
Who killed them?
The Nigerian military.
Killed Southeast youths in numbers?
Yes, they are in the Southeast as an army of occupation. And every youth they see in sight is shoot at sight.
In the Southeast?
Yes, these have been.
Are the governors aware of this?
Of course, all of them are aware. All of them are.
And what are they doing about it?
Especially
if this story happens to be true.
Especially that of Imo State. In the local government of Hope Uzodinma, you can hardly see any young man there. They have all run away or they were killed. So when you have been doing all this type of underhand dealings with the Southeast, why do you think their youth will be very happy to join the army? Their belief is that you are going to finish them. What you could not do with this, all this, what do they call it, insecurity, you now want to finish them with the military. But the Fulani herdsmen are still rampaging in the bushes and farmlands. They are still there. So
in the Southeast region, we saw women protest in Enugu State.
So all those things, who created them? Are they Southeasterners? Is the federal government not aware of this, what these people are doing? Why did they allow them to be carrying guns and be killing people? And when anybody wants to stop them or retaliate, the person is arrested, while the attacker is allowed to go free. So when you see all these things, are you not supposed to know that something is wrong somewhere?
Okay, my people, you all have heard what that man said. He said that the reason why Igbo youths don't want to join the Nigerian military is because the Nigerian military is not fair towards the Igbos. He said that the Nigerian military have been killing Igbo youths. He said that if you go to the local government of Hope Uzodinma, who happens to be the governor of Imo State, that there are so many communities there that you can't even find a young man there. They have all run away because the military is killing them. We all know what Igbo youths have passed through for some time now in the hands of the military, how they have been killed on a daily basis. So after those killings, do you think that Igbo youths will want to join the military? The answer is no. All over the country, the military is not doing anything possible to counter Fulani herdsmen. We have never heard that Fulani herdsmen that are killing people are in detention. We have never heard that Fulani herdsmen are being executed by the Nigerian military. None of them is even facing judgment. And when the people wants to retaliate, that is where the Nigerian military will come in. They will start defending those Fulani herdsmen and arresting those people that wants to defend themselves from those Fulani herdsmen. Do you think that a reasonable youth will want to join the army? No. If an Igbo youth join the army, what will be his duty there? To stop his people from fighting Fulani herdsmen that are killing people in his land. Nobody will want to join such an army. Let's listen to what this military general have to say concerning Boko Haram.
Boko Haram should lay their arms unconditionally and be accepted in the community. Opportunities are out there for them. They can be rehabilitated. An ex-Boko Haram stands having laid his arms and comes back, turns his way away from his negativity. He stands to be a president of this country. He stands to aspire to any position in this country. Why is he wasting his time when he cannot even deliver? We will do that. But we have appealed to them, including their detractors, their collaborators, to see reason to, as fast as possible, quickly drop their arms so that we can once again reoccupy our peaceful position in Nigeria.
You all have heard what the man said. He said that if Boko Haram members lay down their weapons and surrender, that they will be accepted back into the society to live amongst the people. Can you imagine? People we know say, then they butcher people, then they slaughter people. The videos of how they brutally kill people are everywhere online. They have deserted so many communities. They see human lives as nothing. And you are saying that if they repent, that you will take them back into the society. And you are expecting an Igbo youth to join the army so that he will go and waste his life fighting Boko Haram. Just look at what that man said. That a repentant Boko Haram member can become the president of Nigeria. He can occupy any position, both federal and state positions. And there are so many graduates everywhere, no job. Repentant Boko Haram are enjoying more than graduates in this country. Just look at what he said. Terrorists will be say, government supposed to execute, they leave them, send them back into the community. You don't repent. Can you imagine? And you want Igbo youth to go and join. Igbo youth will never join. Because Igbo lives matter. Any Igbo youth that joins the Nigerian army to fight terrorism, he is just laying his life down for nothing. In the sense that if he dies there and those Boko Haram members repent, they will be taken back into the society. Why he just died for nothing? You can't be fighting for a country that is protecting Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen. Look at how people are dying in Plateau State. Look at how people are dying all over Igbo land. Look at how people are dying all over Yoruba land. All over the north, all over the country, herdsmen are killing people. The Nigerian army is nowhere to be found to protect those people. And you expect the people to come and join a military that is not protecting them. What is the need of joining a military that does not care about the safety of the people? The other day, 3 military officers were executed by ISWAP. When those terrorists that execute them are being arrested, they will say they have repented. And the next thing is that the Nigeria military will now put them back to the society to live as normal people. While those army officers have just died for nothing. A country that does not execute terrorists and bandits, how do you expect a normal citizen to join the army of that country? It's not possible. And this is why Igbo youths have refused to join the Nigerian army, because they know that joining the Nigerian army is suicide mission. The rate at which Nigerian army officers are resigning now is very high. And so many people don't want to join because they know that it's a waste of time. It's better Igbo youths sit back home and protect themselves and their people from Fulani herdsmen than to join the military of a country that does not care about them. Ishewale.